So this is the brand new Dragon Eagle. So let's waste no more time. Let's get ourselves a knife and let's open this box. See what this mysterious scooter is. Before we open this box, definitely guys, like and subscribe to the channel. Helps me a lot. Definitely get more content out, not only for you guys, but to just let me know what you guys are liking. So yeah, definitely leave a like, subscribe, all that stuff, fluffy stuff, and we'll carry on with this. Let's do it. Alright guys, I thought I'd take you along for the ride. So you would have seen that I just opened it before. Alright, sweet. Cool, again, got some nice packing in here. That hard price terms and nothing's gonna get damaged in here. Got ourselves a Allen key to put this thing together. I've got my own Allen key set, so probably not gonna use this. We've got on this side, looks to be the charging brick. We've also got our Dragon Eagle scooter manual, so we'll definitely be needing that later on. We've got some rubber caps for, I'm assuming, the end of the, or edges of the bolts. Okay, so as for what's in the box, we have our charger brick, which shows us just here our input. So it's a 54.6 volt and it charges at 2 amps, so not too bad. Not too bad at all. Definitely not a fast charger, but it will do. So yeah, that's your charger brick. Ooh, oh guys, look at that. Hopefully there's enough light, but I don't think there is. But that is a road tire, and that makes me very happy. All right, let's get this open. Let's take our first look. Whee! Nice. Keep it dry in there. Some red accents. Headlight, all right. Oh, we've got red swing arms, nice. Very Dragon to have the red swing arms, that's cool. Stack these here. Oh, that looks good. All right, let's have a little bit of a giggies. All right guys, let's have our first little look inside the box here. There's those road tires, they look fantastic. That is great to see. We've got nice red swing arms, they look rather saucy down there. It's looking good. And we've got, of course, we've got the Dragon Eagle down the stem. I wonder if these light up though. That's going to be interesting. And we've got some red rear swing arms. Now this is a very nice looking display, so I'm keen to see what that looks like. We've got some very cool looking mud guards as well. But let's waste no more time. Let's get this thing out of that box. All right, let's lift her out. Of course, always one of them stay with it. Alrighty. This looks like the traditional pin kind of style. Nothing wrong with that. Pull up. Locks into place. And this little red pin goes straight into place and stops it from popping out. It's actually pretty cool. I like that design. And it actually does have a little satisfying click too when it goes into place. Alright, first off the bat guys, I need to point this out. So, these here, this is very nice quality cable management. These are very nice feeling, very nice quality here. Yeah, there's that folding mech, so you just pull this little pin out of the way, slide it straight out of the way like that, and then you'd pull this forward and then this whole thing would collapse, and vice versa. You push it up, this little pin will slide over here and click into place, and then you just lock that in and it actually clicks, which is pretty cool. Other notable things too guys is while we click this into place, this is very GTR style, a lot of people will know and very familiar with that, but what we have here guys, that to me looks like a cruise control. So yeah, let's keep this going. We've got a very nice silver button over here which looks very nice, along with some indicator buttons which look very much like of the Nami, which is very welcome to see. I'm very curious to see what this is priced like, because I actually don't know. And another really good comeback is adjustable height, which is great. Also has the lock in there as well. This, if you guys have been around for a while, the GTR V2 actually had this kind of styled stem, and it does make it really good for anyone with a tall or short person that's going to ride. So that definitely is a big plus there. So as far as I know, we've got thumb throttle. All these little switches are already actually pretty tight. And it just looks like we just need to do the brake levers. So it's just a small Allen key under here, which is provided with you in the box, but for us, we're just going to quickly tighten them down. So adjusting your handlebars is really easy. All you have to do is grab your 5mm Allen key, move them accordingly to your comfort, and tighten them up. Now, a couple of you would have been probably wondering, well, what are these for? I've seen a lot of your DC Unplugged videos. I've never seen one of these. Well, let me show you what these are. And all they are just to go right here and place them on there and there. Basically front and back, and away you go. Nice and simple, they're all the same. And yeah, all it is just to tidy it up a bit. Alright, so we just grab our little 3mm. This is for our screen. So I reckon probably about there. I reckon there. And you just tighten these little Allen keys up. This is going to hold our screen in place. Don't have to go drastically hard with this. In fact, it's actually probably good if you leave this screen a little bit loose, but not enough for it to move about, because if you do have a crash, instead of cracking your screen, it will pivot around. So I've tightened that a little too much for that said occasion. Because if you have a crash, what will happen is your screen and your mount will take most of the grunt, and it'll actually just snap off. So if you can give it enough so it just moves just ever so slightly with a little bit of force, so that way if you have a crash, you won't damage your screen. Well guys, I say let's take this screen protector off and have a look at our first screen on the Eagle. Oh, it's got a little protection film. That looks really nice. It's quite large too. For instance guys, if you use a Samsung user, that is my Samsung S23 Ultra, so it is actually a fair decent sized screen on there. But let's do our first power up. Let's have a look and make sure we're all out. Oh, I didn't even see this. We've got Eagle NFC cards. How sick. That's cool. I didn't even see that. How did I not see that? Let's hold that. Oh. Okay. Wait, that's a cool looking screen. Yeah, that's a cool looking screen. We've got ourselves a little blue light over here too. So hopefully that comes up on there too. Yeah, we've got a nice little limiter. I'm assuming this is the horn? No. Oh, that's cool. Look at the screen here. So this is single motor. So it's got one, and then you click the little blue button and it tells you if you're in dual motor. So I'll click it while you're focused on here. Look at that. One motor, two motors. That is sick. That needs to go on every single that is sick. I love that. That is really, really cool. Another one too. Let's go the lights. Oh, we've got a pretty decent headlight there, guys. Very, very bright light. Look at that. Very nice. We've got, I haven't even taken the cover off that yet, so it's still pretty bright. Oh, we've got some LEDs on the side here. This is great. I actually really like these because then people can actually see from side on view. Sounds really dumb, but it's great to see some lights on the side of the scooter, so that way people can see from this side, not just the front and the back. But we have some very, very bright tail lights. And here, the purple scooter. And some very bright lower lights. But if we take this off, oh, okay, let's have a look what it's like. Oh, we've got a nice cut-off beam. So the cut-off beam guy that I'm referring to is this little line here. That is what you want, because then when you're riding towards cars and people, you're not blinding them. So you have a nice perfect cut-off beam. That is awesome. I like that. Dragon, I'm so glad you've been listening to my videos. This is perfect. This is what every scooter needs, is that perfect cutoff beam. All right, coming back to the bars, guys, have we got indicators? We do. They also stay on. Oh, yep. Can we put both of them on though? Can we do hazards? Can we do hazards? Yeah, we can. We can do hazards, but is the horn loud? Yep, definitely. That is cool. One thing I didn't check out. Yep, when we turn the lights on, we do have a lights on the dash just there. And when we turn them off, lights come off. Perfect. That's awesome to see. This is a very, very, very nice looking scooter so far. I actually don't know where the pricing is on this one yet, because it is literally a brand new scooter. So yeah, I'm very keen to see where this one sits. This will all be in the review, so I will let you know in the review, specs, everything like that. This is just a simple unboxing and how to put this scooter together. But what a great looking scooter so far. Let's check it out. So that is it for this video with the Eagle. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is just a simple unboxing video, and no, I didn't give any specs away, I know, but I'm going to be leaving all that information for the actual review video of this. But I believe this is a 48-volt system, if you really must know, but how to put it together, and it is pretty basic. 5mm Allen key and a 3mm Allen key to tighten up this, and if you want to move some other stuff, it's pretty much the same stuff. So yeah, anyway guys, let us know down in the comments what you think of this one. It's definitely a little bit different, but very, very welcoming with a whole bunch of really cool features. And what I'm seeing from this scooter, I have lots of excitement for the rest of this year. And I'm keen. I'm keen as anything to see what Bike Scooter City and Dragon do with their new 2025 scooters, because this is already a very nice scooter. Anyway guys, see you all in the next video. See you then.